So the curb father here, sometimes I get asked, how many people do you need to lay curb? Well, you can operate the curb machine and you can feed it and you can manage the curb machine and adjust the heights as you need to, make changes to the steering. But you don't necessarily always have to have somebody feeding the machine. You can feed the machine yourself and guide the machine all at the same time once you know what you're doing with the machine. Maybe when you're brand new, this is not a good technique, but certainly once you've been curbing as long as I have, you're able to run the machine on your own without somebody else there helping you. Piece of cake. Or you might need 3 people to do this, like a lot of teams out there. Why don't you come to Curb.Academy, check it out, let us teach you how to do curbing so that you can do it fast, you can do it efficient, and when you get good at it, you can do it on your own. LilBubba.com.